In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage an organization in Jira Service Management for your customer portal. If you need to group external customers, connect them across multiple service projects, and keep access organized in a clean, secure way, Jira Service Management gives you built-in tools to do exactly that. Instead of manually managing every customer one by one, you can use organizations to keep related users together and make administration much easier. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira or Atlassian sign-in page. Log into your workspace, then wait for your main dashboard to load fully. Once you're in, move to the top navigation bar, select Projects, and open the Jira Service Management project where you want to work. This is important because you'll be creating and managing the organization from inside the correct service project. After the project opens, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for the service desk. Scroll if needed and click Customers. That will take you into the customer directory area where you can view and manage external users associated with the project. Next, move your attention to the upper right area of the page. Near the search field, you should see the Add Organization button. Click it to open the organization creation window. This is where you'll set up the new group that will hold your customer accounts. In the organization name field, enter a clear and professional name for the group. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize later, especially if your team manages several customers or departments. A good name helps keep your portal organized and makes it easier for agents to identify the right customer group at a glance. If your Jira setup includes project sharing options, you may also see a project sharing dropdown below the name field. Open it and choose the service projects that should be connected to this organization. This allows the same organization to be used across multiple relevant support areas, which can save time and improve visibility for your team. Once everything looks correct, click Add or Create to finish. After the organization is created, Jira will open its details page. At this point, it's a good idea to do a quick validation check. Open the new organization, click Add Customers, and enter the customer email addresses you want to include. Add them carefully and confirm that they appear under the organization as expected. This final check helps make sure access is set up correctly and that your shared customer structure is ready to use. That's it. You now have a clean, scalable way to organize external customers inside Jira Service Management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.